why we are thinking of vision 2025 is আমরা কেন চিন্তা করছি দর্শনের জন্য? If you don't have any destination, you cannot complete a day. A day, I am saying day means successful day. Day to will always complete. You will complete your old age. You born and then time will come, you will go to the Jesus. So you will complete that portion. There is no doubt of that. But in this portion, in this span of borning and going to the Jesus, what you have done? If you success, we all can say that you are success because we have completed my age. Whatever age God has given me to be in this world, I have completed that age. That means I am success. There is no doubt of that. But what you have done, could you done successfully whatever God has given you to do? If you don't have proper plan, you cannot do that. Can you just say that what as a church, the pastorate committee, now 2019, we had a new pastorate committee we have elected. Can any pastorate committee can say that we sat down and thought that within these 3 years, my church will do this? Can any church give me this kind of thought? I'll be very happy to hear that, and we'll declare that in our diocese that yes, we have a very authentic church who has a vision. Without vision, that church doesn't go. Do you have any kind of youth in your church that they have a concrete theme that within 1 year or 2 years or 3 years, for 3 years they are elected, we will do this much thing? Have they thought? What about your Sunday school teachers? Have they thought that within 1 year I will be able to teach this much portion to my Sunday school teachers? Maybe that is always there as because there is some kind of syllabus, but I will able to teach my Sunday school teachers, students, not only the Sunday school the Bible matters, whether they are going to the schools or not, they are having good life in the house or not. Do you think that Sunday school teachers has only to teach Bible on Sunday and that is enough? The youths, they will see that only youths are coming and they are having merry and happy joy, happy time, having some snacks and having high hole, Jesus loves me, and finish and go after 1 hour, 2 hours, and pastorate committee have a meeting for an hour and this and that, why this is happening, why that is happening, why presbyter has that done, why he has that done, why worship started half an hour late, why worship started half an hour early, why priest for 1 hour, why priest didn't preach this thing, why it was there, what is there, and for these things our pastorate committee sits? No. That's why while we all have all these kind of thoughts in our minds, I'm just saying we know all these things. That's why in the beginning what I started saying when I came in 2019 June, my first thing was, again I'm just repeating, going back to 2019, my first thought was KYB. As all banks now asking for KYC, know your customer, and this is not new words for you guys because I have said so many times to you. KYB, know your bishop. What actually your bishop wants from us and what your bishop is. People say so many things, doesn't matter. But who is bishop to you? As you know that who is Jesus to me, Jesus to you. Jesus is my Lord and my Savior. We all know Jesus Christ আমার জন্য মুক্তিদাতা, আমার পরিত্রাতা, আমি সবাই জানি. Then who is my Jesus? Bishop is for me. Who is my bishop? What he wants, what type of works he does. So first thing, when we want to address all these things, আমরা এই সব বিষয় চিন্তা করার আগে first things what we need to have, already we have, but we are just reminding you. See, I am not a very big seminar conductor or a very big speaker for seminars. I am a very simple person and I want to just discuss all these simple things in a very practical way, not very high thought way. I will not present a paper which will be a very big theology and then you can have a seminar on that paper. But what I will say, if you go back, you cannot end the discussion what I will say or what I will discuss over here. So what is the first thing that we must have, then only we can start Vision 2020, trust. Trust among each other, not only trusting bishop only, trusting each other. Trusting each other is the first thing. একে অপরকে বিশ্বাস করাটা হলো প্রথম জিনিস। যদি vision 2025 দেখতে চাও, if you want to have some kind of vision in my church, first thing we should have trust. যদি বিশ্বাস আমাদের না থাকে, not only trusting on Jesus, trusting on each other. আপনার পাশে যে বসে আছে, who is your presbyter, who is your pastorate committee member, who is your youth, who are your Sunday school teachers, can you just trust them? Or you have doubt, আমি ছিলাম না, ইউথরা কি করলো জানি না, I was not there, what youths have done I don't know, what Sunday school teachers has taught I don't know, what pastor I was secretary or maybe vice president or maybe whatever, maybe I was not in the pastorate committee meeting, I don't know what they have done. When priest was not there and we was not there, I don't know what priest has done. We don't have trust. So if you don't have trust, আমরা যদি একে অপরকে বিশ্বাস না করতে পারি, মাথায় রাখবে, তাহলে vision 2020 will not be active. আমি যদি বিশ্বাস একে অপরের কাছে না করতে পারি, তাহলে কিন্তু আমরা কোনোভাবেই ভিশন দেখতে পাবো না। কারণ ভিশন দেখতে পেলে, যদি if you want to see vision, then first thing that we have to trust on our own people. I'm not saying that you have to trust on people who are other side of the sea. ওই সমুদ্রের ওধারে কারা আছে ওদেরকে বিশ্বাস করার জন্য বলছি না, যাকে আপনি কোনোদিন দেখেননি, যাকে আপনি কোনোদিন চেনেন না, বাট ইউ ক্যান ট্রাস্ট হুম ইউ হ্যাভ নো। যে আপনার পাশে আছে, যে আপনার পাস্টর কমিটিতে আছে, যে আপনার পুরোহিত, যে আপনার সানডে স্কুল টিচার, যে আপনার ইউথ, ইন ওয়ান ওয়ে ইউর ওন ফ্যামিলি অ্যাজ এ চার্চ, you have to trust them. If you can't trust them, then better for you to leave and go. Because you know, these people are there, the circle is there, who are only trusting us there. If untrust is there, then better untrust should go out. একে অপরকে যদি বিশ্বাস না করতে পারেন, তাহলে এই বৃত্তের মধ্যে থেকে লাভ নেই। এই যে চার্চ যে বৃত্ত, এই বৃত্তের মধ্যে থেকে লাভ নেই যদি আমি যদি বিশ্বাস করতে না পারি। Unless and until you trust, you cannot just move. So trust is the very beginning main thing that you have to trust. Otherwise you can't do anything. Secondly, what I was just thinking that আমরা অনেকে বলার চেষ্টা করছিলাম যে ইভাঞ্জেলিক্যাল ডায়াসিস হতে হবে আমাদের চার্চ। People say that CNIC is not evangelical church. Who said CNIC is not evangelical church? We will prove it. Our diocese prove করবে যে আমরা evangelical church. We have already taken 3 or 4 evangelists. We will increase more evangelists who will work as evangelists in our church, not outside the church. Spreading the distributing tracts at Sialda station and Howrah station is not evangelical work. I don't trust on that. ওই কারোর বাড়ি থেকে রাস্তা দেখা হচ্ছে, দেখে দুটো কথা বলা, আর আমি ওই কথা বলে আমি ব্যাপটিজম দিয়ে দিয়েছি। I just talked to somebody whom I don't know, talk for 1 or 2 seconds or minutes, and I said that I have given the baptism. I don't trust on that kind of evangelical work. Evangelize your own family, your own church members. আমরা কতটা প্রেয়ারফুল লাইফ কাটাতে পারি, আমাদের ডায়াসিসের, আমাদের চার্চরা কতটা প্রেয়ারফুল লাইফ কাটাতে পারি। আই এম নট সেইং দ্যাট ইউ হ্যাভ টু অর্গানাইজ হোল নাইট প্রেয়ার এভরি মান্থ, এভরি উইক, এভরি অলওয়েজ। আই এম নট সেইং দ্যাট, বাট দেন এগেন, how much I can involve our own people in prayer or Sunday school, Bible studies, or this kind of the spiritual work. If Bible says, if you see that seek ye first the kingdom of God and his righteousness, and all other things will be added to you. আমরা সবসময় বলে থাকি, what we say, that all other good things will be added to us. If we seek kingdom of God and his righteousness, all other things will be, good things, whatever I need will be added to me. You remember, all other things what you need will be added to you. That is also one power which will help you to identify which is bad and which is good. That power also will be added unto you. If you seek for kingdom of God and seek for his righteousness, and his righteousness is what? It's a very confusing word. Theologians are here. Two doctors are here from Bishop's College. All big theologians are over here, and few MTH people also are here. This is a very confusing word. What is the righteous means? Dharmikota ki? What is the identify of the righteous man? Can you just say what is the identify of? Can you just identify righteous man? God fearing. Very easy one word is there for me, as because I am very practical person. Do you obey the 10 commandments? If not, you are not righteous man. It's very easy way. No need to judge. judge yourselves. Do I maintain follow the 10 commandments? আমি কি 10 আজ্ঞা পালন করি? যদি না পালন করি তাহলে আমি রাইচাস লোক নয়। ওর মধ্যে সবকিছু আছে, এভরিথিং ইজ দেয়ার। God is so wise, he gave in such a way you don't have to go and search how to become a righteous man. You don't have to search, just go to the Old Testament and see the 10 commandments. It's very easy, follow that, you will become a righteous man. You don't have to judge, and no need to somebody else to judge. So if you try to be righteous man, is very difficult. If one man is very difficult to become a righteous person. It's very difficult. We all try, nowadays আমরা তো বাংলাতে পড়ি না, বাংলা আমরা অনেক ভুল বলি। বাংলা আমরা কি বলি? ডাক্তারদের বসে আছে, ডাক্তারদের সাথে খুব ভালো, এই কোথায় ডাক্তারি করছো? বাট ইন ইংলিশ হোয়াট দে সে? হোয়াই আর ইউ আর প্র্যাকটিসিং? আমরা যখন ডাক্তার কেউ অসুস্থ যখন মরে যায়, আমরা কি বলি? এই ডাক্তারের দোষ। ডাক্তার দোষ হবে না তো কি হবে? Maybe his fault as because he is practicing. Nobody is a 100% doctor. They are practicing. If they are practicing, there will be some mistakes. Who said there won't be mistake? If you practice, you won't be mistake. They are practicing. So righteousness things also, it is practicing. We all try our level best to be righteous. Nobody is righteous. It's very difficult. But we all try to be righteous person. And আমরা ঈশ্বরের রাজ্যে আমাদের দৈনিক তোমার রাজ্য আসুক আমরা রোজ প্রার্থনা করি। এই দুটো যদি আমরা দেখি, যদি আমরা if we try for these two, then all other things will be added to us. Even the knowledge will be added to us and given to us to identify which is bad, which is good. Why I'm saying which is bad and which is good? Why I'm said bad first? It's very good news for our diocese. From our diocese, so many bad habit has been already gone. God has removed us, as because we all are trying. That's why spreading unnecessary the WhatsApp messages, SMS, Facebooks is almost like gone. Small incidents here and there is there. So that also we have to stop. Unless and until we stop that, we cannot have our unity. That means we are always there to see the mistakes of others, the faults of others, the negatives of others. So unless and until we stop to only see or look at the mistakes, the wrongdoings of others, we cannot have a teamwork. And if we cannot have a teamwork, we can't see Vision 2025. Vision 2025 is not single man's work. Vision 2025 is a teamwork. Diocese of Calcutta will think together. One man cannot think. One man can help you to think, but one man cannot think, and one man cannot bring success in 2025. Vision 2025. If we see something to do that. So that's why trust is very much needed. And secondly, that we have to try to be our as because possible that be righteous to follow 10 commandments, and then we will have enough knowledge to identify which is bad, which is good, and then as a team we'll sit together and we can think that what we can do. First thing is that what I said, that our diocese will be evangelical diocese. How my diocese will be evangelical diocese? And one more thing, what you have to always say, try to change that. Our diocese, no more our diocese, my diocese. Everybody will say my diocese, my church, my priest, my bishop. You have to own that. আপনাকে নিজের করে নিতে হবে। আমাদের ডায়াসিস এটা হচ্ছে জানিস, আমাদের ডায়াসিস ওটা হচ্ছে জানিস, দ্যাট ইজ হ্যাপেনিং ইন মাই ডায়াসিস, দ্যাট ইজ হ্যাপেনিং ইন মাই, নো মোর দ্যাট ইজ হ্যাপেনিং ইন মাই ডায়াসিস, দ্যাট ইজ হ্যাপেনিং ইন আওয়ার ডায়াসিস, দ্যাট ইজ হ্যাপেনিং ইন মাই ডায়াসিস। হি ইজ মাই প্রেসবিটার, হি ইজ মাই প্রিস্ট, নট আওয়ার প্রিস্ট। আমাদের আওয়ার প্রিস্ট, নো, মাই প্রিস্ট, হি ইজ মাই বিশপ। ইউ হ্যাভ টু ওন দ্যাট, ইউ হ্যাভ টু সে লাইক দ্যাট ওয়ে। So you have to say that my church, and those my church will be evangelical church. How your church will be evangelical church? 51 Chourangi cannot guide you, cannot give you guidelines. Only 51 Chourangi can tell you that you have to be evangelical church. Now, along with your own presbyters and the pastorate committee will sit together and see that how your church will try to be into the on the track of evangelical work. As I said, you don't have to bring new people. I gave one assignment to all the presbyters long before, I think 2 months before, that they have to give me one data that the members who are not coming to the church. And I said that after 3 months they have to again report me that how far they could able to success or bring people back to the church. Discipline is different. There are so many members who are indisciplined. I'm not saying that bring all the disciplined people and remove their all these names, forget about all these things. There is a process for bringing the people who are in discipline. So I'm not saying for them, but I'm saying those a huge number of people who are not in discipline but not coming to the church, who are not in discipline but they don't like the church, not only coming to the church, they don't like the church. Those huge number of people who are not in discipline but still don't like the presbyters. There are so many people who are not in discipline but still they don't like the pastorate committee, whoever in the pastorate committee, they don't like the pastorate committee. There are so much huge number of people who are not in discipline but still they don't like the pattern of your worship. There are so many people who are not in discipline but still they don't like the pattern of your youths are having their fellowships. There are so many people who are not in discipline, they don't like the way you are having your Sunday schools. How to overcome that? You have to think. Bishop cannot do. 51 Chorongi cannot go and sit with your pastorate committee and do. It's your responsibility. That's why I call all the presbyters, at least secretary and treasurer of the church. Because when you go back, you have to think amongst them. It's not that for 3 years I am elected and after 3 years my turn is gone. Already 2 years is almost like over. 1 month, 1 year and few months is there. I am the secretary, I am treasurer. After that my term is over. So what is that? Then better not to come to the church for as the office bearers of the church, the pastorate committee. If you take the responsibility, you have to bear the responsibility. Ami Boshina, I don't sit at my home. Even Barakpur office bearers are here. They know. Sometimes Raghuda says, why you do so much, you will become sick. But why? What I can do? I have taken the responsibility, my extra responsibility, additional responsibilities, Barakpur diocese. I cannot sit at my 51 Chorongi road because they are also looking at me. I have to do that. I take only rest only night, and sometimes I take 4-5 services. Only presbyters they do sometimes 2-3 services. I do 4-5 services sometimes in a day. I go 7 hours and do only 1 hour meeting and then come back. Why I do? If I sit down at 51 Chorongi Road, nobody will question me. Nobody will question me. I can sit at 51 Chorongi Road and take it. The diocese has given me a very lavish place to live in, to have rest. I can have my own rest. But still I am doing, as because responsibility I have taken, I have to do that. Nobody will come and tell me. So once you have taken the responsibility, I am telling you, my dear friends, you have taken responsibility in the presence of God, and God has given you responsibility. Nobody is going to question why you have not done that. I know that. Nobody is going to question you why you have not done that. As because you are the presbyters, or you are the secretary, or you are the treasurer, or you are the youth presidents, or whatever may be. But ask yourselves, I have taken responsibility of this church for 3 years, what I have done. Have I tried? Oh, that is only presbyters' responsibility to see that evangelical work is done or not. I know that. Main responsibilities on presbyters. But then why you are here? Only to see that what presbyters are doing wrongs, mistakes. What else? Why then we are sitting over here? So when you go back, you have to find out and report to the 51 Chorongi, your bishop, that what you have planned to evangelize, to have an evangelical church. You have to have more cottage prayer, more home visits. I'll talk about when we talk second half about the electronic church. Then we'll think about home visit, this and that. But here we have to think that more cottage prayer, more revival meetings, and more youth seminars, And don't think that for all seminars or all programs, the money is the first criteria. Money is the last criteria. Without money, you can have seminars. I can tell you. When you arrange seminar, come to me, I will tell you how to organize seminars, youth programs, Sunday school programs with minimum expense. Which expense anybody can bear. I'll tell you, I'll guide you. If you can't do that, I'll try to support you. But you have to have more Christ-centered program. If you bring people in your own church, people more and more to the Christ, automatically things will be changed. As we are thinking now, don't send SMS, this and that, don't look at it negatively, all things will be removed, I'm telling you. All things will be removed. So when you go back, along with presbyters and the secretary and pastorate committee, you sit and plan and draw what you want to see your church. Maybe you may not be secretary or may not be pastorate committee member after 22. Maybe new persons will come. They will follow. They will continue the work. And you have to report to bishop. My plan is, my church is going to this program so that we can bring our own people more and more and we can develop spiritual life. First thing is that you have to develop spiritual life, not the church building. Whenever we say, because I am from this diocese only, whenever you say try to develop your church, first thing is pastorate committee's work to sit down and say church take boro korte hobe, we have to make the church bigger. We have to build the pastorate committee. Parsonage is a very bad condition. We have to do that one. We have to do this one big expense the chart. Why? Without that, there cannot be the development in the church. When we talk about development of the church, you have to remember, I am not going to take the class for theological class. By this time, I believe that we all know, church is not the church building. Church is not the pastorate parsonage. Church, we are church. We are sitting over here, we are church. So how to develop this church, not the church building? As I said, if we can develop this church, God will show us how to develop church building. That will come automatically. You don't have to think for that. Of course, God will help you, Holy Spirit will help you to think how to develop that one. But that will come if you can develop this church. So when we go back, not only pastorate committee, even the youths and even the Sunday schools teachers, women's fellowship, that's why I asked even the representative from women fellowships, we must go and you see for women's fellowship. See, women's fellowship, always don't think that we are to women's fellowship. Women's is a mother of the church. All women are acting mothers of the church. You are all acting mothers of the church. So you have to care your church. You have to care each and everything. So how, when I was presbyter and I was posted in St. Peter's Church, what I have done in St. Peter's, I don't know whether they are maintaining that same thing or not. I called the women's fellowship. Once I sat with them, I said, see, altar is not clean. Who will take care of? Who prepared the bed for the husband and for children? Who prepared the clothes for the children and husbands? Who prepared the utensils for the husbands and children for eat? Who prepares the food for, at least if servant is there, then they supervise? Who does that? Normally mother does that. Nowadays fathers also put their hands on, but normally mother does that. So who will do in the church? Church is not my church. Church is not my home. My home is only that where I live. That is my home. All women are mother. If you can look after your own church, your home, utensils, your beds and your everything, what about church matters? Their father will take the service, so he can be on dust. Those clothes can be dirty. Those utensils can be dirty. And then St. Peter's Church Women's Fellowship, in my time, I don't know whether they are doing now or not, they started cleaning all the utensils, all the clothes, all the preparing the altar. Shubhabrata is there, he was my secretary that time. Am I right or wrong, Shubhabrata, sir? They started doing that. I don't know whether they are maintaining or not. So this is how we can do it. Then youths, how youths can develop? Youth come and they have sing song this and that, and after that they go. Do they think that why somebody is not going to the schools? Why he is dropped out? Why who cares for him? If he can't do, then whether they can support or not? If somebody is drop out or maybe family problem, they cannot continue the study. Whether you think that whether how we can help them that they can go for some kind of vocationals or this and that, or that is not their responsibility. Their responsibility only, even pastoral committee also has a responsibility, presbyter also has a responsibility, or just to have a 1 hour in a week, they come, will sing, will dance, and we are religious person, religious youth, and we go home and finish. Not only church compound and church, four walls church buildings, our responsibility, and when we go out of this church compound or church building, our responsibility not there. You are student, son of your or daughter of your own house, so they will think. We have no responsibility. Youth, you have to think. What about your youths? Everybody is going to the schools or not? Everybody is going to the colleges or not? If not, then what is the problem? Always money cannot bring from Jesus always not shower money like manna they came, but there are so many processes he cannot do for that particular study, can do for other alternative study. Always everybody say that I want to become doctor with first division marks, so who will pay money? But there are some alternatives are there. If you can't spend that much money, if somebody cannot support you for that much money, then there are alternatives. Go for alternatives. Go for some vocational. There are so many good vocationals. After vocational also there are so many processes. Youth, who will think that? That is not our responsibility. Our responsibility only to teach few songs, and when seminar will come, youth will stand. Our youth are very good youth. They are very good youth. What very good youth? Sunday schools are very kids. They are little boy. If Sunday school teachers, I don't know whether Sunday school teachers are here or not. If they don't want to take responsibility, then don't give the responsibility. It's not only teaching Bible, that's all. Nowadays teachers, school teachers, I believe so many principals over here, they know. There is a counselors nowadays there, otherwise all the teachers they think somebody is drizzling. Why that is? Then they have to call their parents. Hey, why your son or daughter is sleeping in the classroom? What is happening? What's happened? Why his nail is so big? Why this and that? So Sunday school teacher has to see that. Why he is using some nasty language in the Sunday schools? That means some problem is there outside. From where he is learning? Who is teaching? You have to find out. If you don't take responsibility. If you take responsibility, do it. Otherwise, say some church that I don't have in my church anybody who can take care of the Sunday schools. We know that there is nobody to take care of the Sunday schools, and that's why they are not having Sunday schools. Only somebody is there to teach songs and sings and this, that. Then only we can have our revival, otherwise not. It's not easy task. We all say that we are free. Bishop, you are saying you are paid for your bishopship, and presbyters are paid for, and we are not paid. We all know that you are not paid, and we also know that the presbyters are not paid what they are supposed to pay. We all know all other people who are paid, whatever they are paid, that is not enough what they should be getting. That is also there. We buy knowingly. What I told my presbyters, you cannot say that your salary is less. Knowingly you came. Knowingly you have taken the responsibility. Knowingly you have joined the diocese. You know that your position is free, honorary service. Knowingly you have come. It's not that somebody forcefully called and has given you the responsibility. We all have come forward, and very wisely, happily, we have taken over the responsibility in the presence of God, and God blessed us. So we have to carry out the responsibility as because we have taken the responsibility. We cannot say that we cannot do that as because that is not our, we are not paid for that. Even the clergies, though I have a clergy chapters, but even in front of other people I want to say to the clergy chapters, what is your life? Do you have your own disciplined life? I am not saying that you are not having your disciplined life. Do you have your own discipline life? Do you have any clock for the whole day? I get up this time, I do my Bible study or whatever maybe study that time. I go, I take my children to schools and bring them this time. Then this time I sit with the telephones to call my the sick people who are in my pastorate, sick people who is going for the exams. In the morning I call them and say that God bless you. Do I do that? Do I have every day at least half an hour study? Any books, it's not only Bibles, any books. Any books who doesn't say about negative side of anybody. Any books? Or whatever is I have completed 4 years in Bishop's College. They are teaching 4 years in Bishop's College, and now what? Read, everything is over. Now the only we have to do whatever is there, I do, and that is enough. No, not that is enough. Every day, presbyters, every day at least half an hour you have to study. In same way, why I am saying that every presbyter should at least read. Every presbyters, any kind of books you have to read half an hour every day. You may not study half an hour from today, as because some of us, we don't have habit to read now because we started long before. At least we can start from 10 minutes, then 15 minutes, then 20 minutes, then 25 minutes, then half an hour. But every presbyter, I'm not going to see whether you are studying or not, but you have to be faithful in your own discipline. Every presbyter has to study half an hour, and why I'm saying that every presbyter should study for half an hour, as because pastorate committee must see that presbyter has enough books to read. All the pastorate committee, you must see that presbyters has enough books to read. If not, then pastorate committee must support to buy some books for the presbyters. Who will equip the presbyters? Bishop has given, they have sent, this diocesan matter, not our matter. No, he is my presbyters. If he develops himself, he will give us more very powerful messages, sermons. So to prepare powerful sermons and messages, he need to study. Maybe sometimes he doesn't have enough money to buy more books. Who will support that? I know one or two churches, I don't want to take names, one or two churches I know who gives money to buy books. Am I right or wrong? One or two churches is there yearly. One or two churches are there who even pay money for, not big amount, money for presbyters' holiday. In my diocese I am talking about, Calcutta diocese. I am not saying that all church has to give this. See, this is how, that's how we take care of our own diocese, own presbyters. As because we are talking about evangelical church, so the person who will give us lead in evangelical work, if he is not satisfied or not comfortable, not equipped, how he can lead us? How he can lead us? But who will take care of that? Bishop 51 Chorongi will do that? No, he is with us. He is among us. So we have to do that. We have to see, this is what Vision 2025. By 2025, we have to have all these things, and we have to go back to, from here, we have to go back to my church and have enough study, enough discussions, enough workshops, enough seminars to get ready to start this Vision 2025. Because 2025, Diocese of Calcutta will be completely evangelical diocese. That is the aim, our aim. All presbyters will be equipped with disciplines. All pastorate committee will know what they are going to do for the church. All youths know what is happening in the youths and what is the future. Why I am saying giving more stress on youths? All principles are there. Now this time I said that all my schools will take only from my diocese, and I am not getting my youths or people in my schools. Am I right or wrong? Principles are here. I am not getting, nobody can blame me. And please don't send anybody for any job. As because I have just openly I have declared, and all principals are very, thank you to principals, if anybody is there, if not, if they are listening, they are obeying me, they are supporting me, and they are just ready to take anybody from my diocese if they are qualified. Even they have taken up to some extent, they could not do anything in good in interview. but they are somehow their qualification is there. They came to me. I said, take them, tell them 6 months or 1 year we are taking on trial basis. If you can develop, we'll keep. Even that way. Nobody can blame that diocese is giving job to somebody else. Nobody can blame even in the grantee schools, people are taking money and giving jobs. Nobody can blame these things. Even at least in my time. Openly I have said, and thanks to all the principals, Bengali medium as English mediums, they are supporting me like anything. We are just not getting candidates for our school teachers. Forget about principals. That's why I'm saying that, but who will prepare? Why pastorate committee is there? Why presbyters are there? Why youths are there? Who will prepare? ওই নিজেরা তৈরি হচ্ছেন আমি কি করব? They are not preparing themselves. What I can do? Everybody can say that one. Everybody can say that one. Then why church? Then why church? We can say that only CNI people are not getting jobs, but who will prepare CNI people? We will not prepare. We will only see that CNI people should get job, but we will not take responsibility to prepare our own people. Who will prepare? Then our CNI candidates? We have to do that. Very easy to say and blame, but we have to prepare because our principals are there. We are not getting people who students, teachers, and even in any kind of jobs. Any Group D staff's jobs. Remember that Group D staff's job. Our schools has changed their method of taking Group D staffs. There are Group D staff's jobs. If anybody wants to do that Group D staff's job, they can come to me. They can send pastorate committee. I am saying openly declaring that if Group D job anybody wants to do, they can just send their names along with their age and everything. We can, but school doesn't nowadays. They are not taking directly. We are taking through outsourcing. They have to accept that. They have to accept that. Group D's job we can give them. We have to accept that. And secondly, we are Christians, so we'll come instead of 8 o'clock, we'll come 10 o'clock. We are Christians, we are member of the Church of North India, so we'll do, instead of 4 hours job, we'll do only 1 hour job. Rest of the time I'll sit at the Group D staff's room. I'll go home because my home is very close. I'll go home for lunch and then I'll come after 1 hour. These things will not work. Then I can take any responsibility. Huge number of Group D staffs are working in our English medium schools with not very minimum pay, not very high pay, but not very minimum pay. If you want that your people, your church member, your known people has to be CNI, don't recommend for somebody else. Wants to do Group D job, bring to us. What we have to do is, we have to tell particular company, remove your other people and give this people. Am I right or wrong? Only say. But criteria is that. As others are working, they have to work. They cannot say that, Ami to, as because I have seen his face, that's what I'm saying. Ami to St. Peter's, that's member. Don't say St. Peter's negatively. I have seen his face, that's what I'm saying. আমি তো সেন্ট পিটার্সের মেম্বার, আমার পাদ্রীকে বলবো চিঠি লিখে দিয়ে দেবে, একবার ভুল হয়ে গেছে ক্ষমা করে দেবে. These things will not work. Grantee school, in the grantee schools, very difficult to have jobs because they have only one post, and if you take even in grantee school somebody else, they will pay very minimum. So that money, with that money you cannot survive. But English medium school, yes, you can be survived. But then again, I've said, I've declared that is also can be Vision 2025. We in one school, even for Group D staffs, if I'm not wrong, hardly I got applications from Christians family. Even Group D staff, grantee school, that will be government job, didn't get. Don't blame Purito scanning for jobs. And don't bring anybody for jobs. It's open. I will not favor individually. They have to go to the schools. Everybody knows my theme and my ideology, my thought. All principals knows by this time, and they are so good. They will support me. For my sake, they will entertain me. But then again, if group D stuffs, you have to be careful that you have to maintain all these things. Presbyters, one more thing I want to say, that you are presbyter. You have a very big post. Don't boast for that. Very big post in the church. Be like a presbyter so that people respect you. Sometimes, respect doesn't come freely. You have to earn respect, not with money. Earning respect with money is a different. That is for few seconds. Whenever he or she is in front of you, you are so man, you are so very good, very good. He goes or she goes, that fellow, So that earning I am not talking. Presbyters, you remember, you have to earn your own respect from your congregation. I don't want to say anything more. Talks, your even clothes. Talks, clothes, how you walk, how you act, how you move. You have your personal life. I am not talking about your personal life. Everybody has your personal life. And again, I am telling our congregation, because we will go back to our congregations, don't enter into presbyter's personal life. Don't enter, please. You have your personal life. Don't enter into presbyter's personal life. Let them have their personal life. In other way, presbyters, you be careful. Though I am saying congregation not to interfere the presbyter's personal life, but again then, as because you are leader in the big congregation, everybody is watching you. Everybody is watching you. They want to see my leader, how my leader is. So accordingly, you have to act. Same thing with the office bearers of the church. You have to do. All these things you have to develop. Vision 2025, not only building. If we can build, as I am saying, I am telling you, 2025, Calcutta diocese will be a different diocese in this world. Not only I am saying in Bengal or in India. In this world, Calcutta diocese will be a different. Now we have evangelists only for our own diocese. That time we can send evangelists even out of our diocese, out of our state. If we can develop all these things. Pastorate committee, you have to remember the properties. You have to be self-reliant by 2025. Now also, it's very good that very few churches, they are looking at 51 Chorongi Road for money. But our target will be Vision 2025. No church will look at 51 Chorongi Road by 2025. All church will be self-reliant. We can manage our own, giving the assessment. After giving the assessment, we can take care of my own church. You have property, some churches they don't have property. Whatever property is there, sit and think for proper utilizations. By 2025, you have to be ready. Within 1 year or maybe 1.5 years, you have to be ready. What you want to do with the your property, come and share with us. Come and share with CDTP. CDTP secretary is there. See that how you can develop your property so that you can have some money from there which you can utilize for evangelical work or some other work. So property is very important, and pastorate committee is the caretaker for all property. Encouragement is done, so what I can do? No, what I can do means you should know that why it's happening. It's not that 51 Chorongi Road will say go and do why this is happening, my property, give me my property. No, pastorate committee has to look into that. Pastorate committee has to fight, pastorate committee has to take care of the property. 51 Chorongi Road will not go. This is the ethos of Church of North India, Diocese of Calcutta. That we work all together, teamwork. Not only CDTP will come and they will think about the property. We have to think our own property. They will help us. They will try to be, as because property belongs to CDTP. That's why we have a team there. They overall they supervise. But we have to think our own. But we must think that how we can develop, how we can make a resource place. that from there how you can have generate some kind of funds which will be used for evangelical work or whatever may be. How we can utilize that one? Always looking at 51 Chaurangi is not good. So by 2025, we all will have some kind of somewhere or other, within 1 year maybe we are going to plan and think, and by 2025 we all will have a process of some kind of way of generating our own fund in my own church. That you have to see. That is also one thing. By 2025 our all church will be self-reliant. Not only self-reliant, we will support others. In Barackpur Diocese, one church is there, very small church. They support other church as well. They are here. Stewardship, that this part of this country, we cannot blame anybody. I am not blaming even me. I am not blaming even you. This part of our country, we have little less giving habit. Forgive me if somebody has a very strong giving habit. Forgive me. This is general things what I am saying. That this part of our country, we have little less giving habit. So that's why I started recently talking about 10%. If not 10%, at least 2%. Our principals, they have agreed to pay 2% for evangelical work. That's why we can take more evangelists in our diocese. So on givings also, pastoral committee must think, and you have to explain. And one is giving, and secondly, as pastoral committee must, and along with the presbyters, you must prepare your own congregation. By 2025, my church, my diocese will never ever fight for pastoral committee election. I don't want that. There won't be any problem, there won't be any quarrels, there won't be any fighting, there won't be any kind of negative things. Whoever is coming, we all will support. There won't be any fighting. I mean, why not me? Why not me? You support me. As in a vestry, one politics is happening. Outside the church, there is one group. They are talking. They are in the house. They are calling some people to have vote me this and that. These things will not take place. These will forget. My diocese will forget. And if we think that my church will forget by 2025, no, there won't be any problem or politics in pastoral committee elections. That you have to think. My church, somebody will take care of that. And whether I am in the pastoral committee or not, if I feel that I am the servant of God, I will support. I will be there. This will be my church by 2025. We have to motivate people. As I said, that if our evangelical work is more, and if we grow in evangelical work, automatically that site will go. And try to be with the pastoral committee, with the presbyter for truth. If somebody in discipline, as I said, door is open for them. Door is open for them. But there is a process. It's not that what happened, we all know. What happened, that after the resurrection, all disciples were sitting and they are crying, they are screaming. Suddenly Jesus came, jumped inside the house. So disciplined people has no that kind of power. So everything is closed, they are having, and suddenly they will jump inside the church. No, there is a process. Only for Jesus that was there. Otherwise you have to come by door. If any other disciples wanted to come, they had to come by door. That Magdalene from the tomb, she came, she could not jump and went inside the house. They had to knock the door. Then only they opened, they went. So disciplined people cannot think that they will jump and stand in front of the church, in middle of the church. So there is a process, there is a way. You have to knock, they will open the door, they will ask questions, this and that. But door will be open for them. So as I said, so if there is any disciplined man, if they say, no, bishop is not thinking, church is not thinking for me, yes, we are thinking for me prayerfully, and we pray that they should come back because they are our own people. I don't know whether you think. That's why we said that our revival, our spiritual side has to be very strong. If any father, mother is there, can you say any of your daughter or son, you are no more my son and my daughter? How you can say? Can you say? And even if you say, situation comes, what you will do? Close the door and you will cry. As because you just can't say. But situation was such, you had to say. There is no other way. You had to say, you are no more my daughter or no more my son. And even when you say, you would close the door and cry. For the situation you can't go and bring them back, but every day you cry. So church cries every day for those who are disciplined. Don't think that church doesn't cry. So that's why our pastoral committee think we should cry even for them who are disciplined and pray for them so that they convert themselves and walk up to your gate and knock the door, not jump inside these things. So by 2025 we have to develop these things, and we have to talk about even givings. We have to talk about givings. We have to raise not only the self-reliant and income generating program, people's givings you have to see. 10%, I said that at least 2% principals are giving. It's very difficult. As I said that so many people, they are happy to pay 10% when their salary is up to 3,000-4,000. Once your salary is up to 50,000, then you can calculate the 10% how much it comes. Sorry Baba, it's 15 days my expense. So no, 10% cannot be there. So I am not talking about 10% matter, otherwise I could say 10% sermon now. By 2025, our diocese will, as we are talking about evangelical work, evangelization things, we are talking about our own thing. Now we are talking about the building. Our diocese will have at least 2 new churches by 2025. That is also my vision. Our diocese will have new 2 churches. It may not be like old heritage type building, but 2 church building my diocese will have within 2025. We have schools and colleges. We have already had 2 new schools, but we'll be having 3 colleges by 2025. One is St. James College, one is which is national level. This is only for information. You may not have to come and work for 2025 for colleges. If you need, of course we'll call, and you are always welcome to come and discuss with us. But when you go back, whatever I said so far, that thing we have to think how to develop by 2025 that. But from diocese side, what we have planned, we will have 2 church building, 3 colleges, 1 St. John's Diocesan College, papers already we have submitted. Law College papers are getting ready. I said that 1 month before, I said by 3 months they have to submit the paper. So 2 months is more. Within 2 months, another 2 months, the papers will be submitted for Law College. Then St. James, they are having little not problem actually. They have to wait for little more for the properties matter in the school premises. Then they will start preparing paper for college. And then as you said that in Behala we can have college and then university. Then we was thinking that that's why I'm giving, why I'm saying you have to pray when you go back in this pastoral committee. When you meet in a church prayer, we need prayer. If we pray, then it is possible. Then we are thinking of educational hub in Oxford Mission. God has given us more wisdom. Why not in Khidrpur? A huge property, double of Oxford Mission. We will be getting within 3-4 years the place where technical engineering college, they are shifting somewhere. If we can have degree college over there, already law college we are having, then there we can have university. We always talk about, see they are doing university, what we can't do. We can do. 2025 we will be not able to have a university, but we will be able to have 3 or 4 colleges. And 3 new schools already we had. So we may not be able to have more schools, but at least 3 colleges we'll have, new colleges. And these colleges is a very tough college, you can remember. Because these colleges, we have to pay our own teacher's salary. So first 2-3 years, you have to have aside some money for paying your teachers and for infrastructure. Then only after 2-3 years, you have more students, and then you may be having self-reliant. So to start college is not easy. You can say that, oh, the paper ready, you're getting papers ready and submit on government say you can start the college. Then who will pay the teacher's salary? Who will pay the infrastructure? We have to get ready for infrastructure. It's a huge expense. But still, we are doing that. By 2025, we'll be having that as well. We have a TB clinic in AJC Bose Road, St. James TB Clinic. If there is no any land problem, then we will be having by 2025 we will be having proper polyclinic bole na ra? What they call polyclinic. Diagnosis center, polyclinic will be having in same place where doctors' chambers will be there and diagnosis center will be there. Proper. So we will be not able to do our own, but we have to work with some agents. Some agency we have to give, but by 2025 our target is there and we have to do that if land some problem is not there then. In Boskati we will be having doctors. Now one doctor will sit. We are going on 29th of this month to see that place. Office bearers are going with me. See that whether one or two doctors can go once or twice in a week in Boskati, and there also we think that if possible our target will be there by 2025 proper doctor's chamber along with proper medical shop, medicine shop. Medicine shop will be not free, doctor's chamber also not free, but for local people, for Christian people there will be some concession, but medical shop so they have government rules. For some people they give some kind of discount. It's not that we can buy medicine and freely we can distribute. It's not like that. Proper medicine shop, and again medicine shop we can't do our own because there are so many problems, license this and that. So we have to prepare our own infrastructure and we have to what they call franchise. We have to take franchises, something like that. So that medical because they have to go long distance for medicals, and they don't have any doctors in that. So that is also our way by 2025. We have 2 old age home where infrastructure is not good. By 2025, if God willing, we will have one proper, good, well established old age home in place of Shanti Nivas, what already council has approved. And other Malbani home we can develop, and with that money this home can run. We have already started working with somebody that how to develop Shanti Nivas there, and their space is not very big. If we have a big building, then on the terrace, on roof, we can have garden for the elderly people. So lift will go up to the terrace, and on top of the terrace there will be garden for old people home. They don't have to go out. They will be there only in the year, and we have to maintain all our government rules and regulations. That will be. We will be not having small home here and there. We will be having only 2 homes, whether students are free or paid. We will be having only 2 homes, one Oxford Mission and one Elizabeth by 2025. All students can be accommodated into those 2 homes, and in those 2 homes all kind of facilities will be there. If God willing, by 2025 in those hostel students they will be having all studies, all English medium students will study in English medium schools, even Oxford Mission students whom we take from poorest of the poor, and they will be having all kind of facilities for music, for games. We will try to give them as much as possible the games. Football, cricket, hockey, basketball, whatever we can provide, because space is there. So utilize that space. We will provide all kind of games, so that sometimes what happens, people may not be able to get job on proper qualification, but if they have games, on games quota they can have. The pond is there, swimming. So all these kind of facilities will be able to try to give them. For that also, if we have target for 2025, don't think that this will just happen like dream and it will happen. This also for needs money, but still I am not asking churches to give me money. Pray for it so that we will be able to do that, and we will try to see that how we can generate fund from the diocesan level. It's not very easy. Diocese's money, because some of the pastorate committee, when they came, I explained them. The way you earn your money, same way we earn our money. Our diocese depends on your subscription, your assessment. Whatever assessment comes from the churches, and whatever money we earn from house rent, don't ask. You will either you will cry or you will laugh. So that house rent, whatever you get, dashes get, don't ask. Better not to ask. Either you will cry or you will laugh. So I don't want you to cry, and I don't want you to on this subject to laugh. Smiling is very good, but on this particular subject, I don't want to laugh. So forget about that. You can say that our forefathers, they were so good people, they have allowed them to stay. You can say in that way. And we are very happy to continue, because if you want to remove them, then they ask 50, 60, 70, 1 crore, 70 lakhs or 1 crore, which we don't have. We can't give. So that's why they are staying, they will enjoy. We can't do anything, and let them enjoy. We are not unhappy, because that was not with me, and that is not with me even today. So that money is not there. So that is how diocese is moving. But even then, I am trying from here and there. Our diocesan friends are there. From there, we are trying to develop these things. We have already done a lot on women's empowerment and children's program. Compassion East India is closed. Compassion International is closed. But we have tried in Boskati and Kuluberia for children's program. We are, as Compassion is to do, we cannot do as they did, but still we are bringing them in the evening for study, giving them slight nutrition food, and they are going, they are playing, they are going study. That we have done too. I don't know, with two, let us maintain at least these two in a good way, and then we will try to increase. Asha Kiran and Naridana. Asha Kiran, the place where women's, they learn how to teach, and Naridana where they do the production. So these both the place is normally governed by the CRS, but CRS is diocesan program. I am there, and whole diocese is there. So we have developed a few places in Boskati, no, in Kestopur, Gyokhali, in some other places, even in Bishop's House, in Kulberia, so many places we have developed so that our women, they can have their own support at least. And in very they have given the St. John's Diocese, and they have given a space facing to the main road. We will be having a showroom for production of Naridana. If they can have a proper production, then we can go even bigger market. So that whatever production will be there in Naridana, we will have a showroom, and then we can supply to the local markets as well. If we can do that, that is also our target by 2025, that the production will be market level production. Now they are doing is not that standard, but we have to do by 2025, the production of Naridana will be market level standard, so that even people can go and buy. This will be little cheaper than others, so that people can buy. They will happily, they will able to take in their home the production of these things. So this is what actual I wanted to share for 2025. So this is the main thing, which is very practical things. I have not presented a very highly theologically the paper of Vision 2025, but I want to see that by 2025 our diocese will be a very promising diocese. Our diocese will be evangelical diocese. Our diocese will support others evangelically, spiritually, even God willing financially. So this was my presentation for Vision 2025, and so thank you very much for listening.